Hello friends, Marcy here. It has been some time since I've been able to come on and share. I love sharing good things, and my good thing for today is my June subscription kit from DEK Designs, and I've had it. Today is Tuesday, May 31st, and I actually received it last Thursday, but I've been so busy. I haven't had an opportunity to open it and share with you, and I'm anxious to see what's inside here, so let's do it. So you know, many of you know, if you've watched my channel, that I am a special ed teacher, and I have been busy the last month just wrapping up the school year with all the grades, reports, IEPs, packing up my classroom, moving my classroom. It's like every day I would come home, I'd come home with a carload and then have to unload every evening. And so that's what my evenings have been, either having meetings or unloading my vehicle as I packed up my classroom for the summer. And I'm going to take out all this gorgeousness. If I stop talking and take a moment to adore all this beauty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so hello June. June is filled with daisies, tulips, and roses. We wanted to bring you a collection that does just this to your planner pages. We are excited to see your creations with this month's subscription. Stay safe, sane, and well planned. Dawn, Emily, and Katie, XOXO. And so that is our DEK from DEK Designs. And if you love this kit, which I do because it's floral, I love roses and floral and soft colors. If you love this kit, and I'm sure you will once you see what I'm about to see, I'm sad to say that it is no longer available. You can't get this kit, but you can subscribe to, actually it's probably posted on the website tomorrow because they sell their subscriptions out very quickly, and I think on the first and second day of the month that's it. After they open it up on the first of the month, but after it sells out, which is usually the first or second of the month, they're no longer available until the following month. So if you miss the June, getting in on the July subscription on June 1st, then you'll have to wait to get in on the August subscription on around July 1st. So just a heads up for you. All right, so there's so many good things in here. This is the monthly kit that comes in the subscription kit, and everything is beautifully packaged. Let me back up. If you haven't seen these kits before, they arrive in this wonderful plastic envelope with the snap closure for easily storing all the items, or you can use them for something else. They're totally awesome for something to store files or such. But this is the monthly kit, and you also have a choice of sizes. I'm currently ordering the Aura Stell size. It's A5 wide, so that's what my monthly kit comes in, and I'll do a plan with me with this in the next video. So I'm gonna put this aside. We'll open it in just a sec. I just want to see what kind of goodies are in here, and then we'll get into them. So we have adorable Post-it notes or sticky notes. I always want to call everything Post-it by the first name brand, like everyone calls a tissue a Kleenex. Yeah, they get in on that name branding for items. So this is the June sub box kit. It says June sub up here, and this kit will not be available for purchase in the shop outside of the subscription kit. So sorry, you're gonna enjoy seeing something beautiful. And so we have some color swatches, and then the June months that you can put on your weeklies or in your journal or however you wish. And then there's more items in there I'll share in just a quick minute. And this is a pack of die cuts we'll share. So we have a gorgeous decorative bow on a large paper clip. Looks like a velvet ribbon and a gemstone. And then we have 3 washies. Oops. Looks like a 15, a 10, and a 5 millimeter. We'll get into those. And a gem pen. Oh, Oh my goodness, it's a gem pen with the rose bud, a rose top. Oh my goodness, that's my style right there. That's my style. So after we share these pages, we'll get into the packages. This is like a heavy paper or a light cardstock, and it is printed on 2 sides with, ooh, that's so pretty. I always think of making journal covers with these when I see them, because like if you fold this in half, you can make an A5 journal and it's already decorated on the inside and outside cover. And then you just put your journal pages in there and it's good to go. Love that. And then we have, so these could be some cut apart journaling cards. She is a wildflower. And then decorative, be fearlessly authentic. Find the beauty in every day. Yeah, cut those apart and have some journaling cards to put in your planner or your journal, and it's decorated on the back side. So pretty. Yes. Ooh, gorgeous vellum. Wow. I love the decor, the spread and spray of roses on here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Beautiful roses again on like a sky blue background. So pretty. And then what is on the other side? Aw, that almost reminds me of some clouds in, I know the color looks different on the screen than it does in my hand, but you know, in the sunset or sunrise when the sky is pink, that beautiful, the tones of pink, that's what that reminds me of, with some clouds around. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow. Now that's unique because it's like photograph instead of watercolor art. It looks like a photograph. Wow, so pretty. And more of our gorgeous spray of roses to decorate the background, or decorate the page on a blue background, navy background. So we got shades of blue in here. So pretty. All the shades of blue. Pink and cream on our backgrounds. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's dive into the packages. All right, I think I'll start with the quickest one I know will be this one. It is the monthly spread for June in the A5 wide size to fit my Aura Stell. And, all right, so these are the foiled headers. You have June 2022 to put on your top of your spread here. And then you have some paydays, bill due to buy, cell phone bill, rent, mortgage, and a bow, and then a Juneteenth to put on your planner. So these are the headers for Sunday to Monday, Thursday through Saturday, and 1 to 31 on the scalloped lacy dates. I'm looking at this. Last time on my May, it's like 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, I got off because I was talking and laying my stickers down, and there were 2 21s or 2 22s or something like that. And I had to back up and fix it, but I'm seeing here it's all corrected. But I need to pay attention when I'm planning, doing my plan with me's and talking and laying stickers down. It's like I get off, just talk and do the routine, and sometimes make a mistake. So we have currently watching, currently reading, currently listening, and then some birthday, graduation, parties, icon stickers, some more bill dues, and gorgeous floral icon decor. With, what's this one? Oh, some little characters, and this is Boo Bear. How cute. I was trying to say, oh, best dad for Father's Day. I was trying to see if there was graduation, happy Father's Day. So it's a little Father's Day. All little Boo Bears are Boo Bear and Dad. So it's little Father's Day icons. That's a wonderful addition. Okay, next up, we'll save the largest kit for last. Let's open up the small packaging. Oh, I want to reuse this beautiful sticker, so I'm trying to be careful, and I already heard a tear. And you might say, just rip it, Marcy. But look at what I would be tearing, something so pretty. I love to reuse my stickers. All right, so our color swatches and the Junes that we saw on the front page. And then we have some desktop stickers for summer with the sunflower. Looks like iced lemonade. So pretty. A little green apple. A butterfly, bumblebee, and a bird. So that's a summer desktop. And then some corner swatches and floral decor for journaling or any kind of page decor you like. And look, it's even like a shiny shimmer. There's like a shimmer to the page. Glossy. That's what I'm trying to think of. Glossy, glossy, glossy. Okay. And the bow, which I can already see that the texture on the ribbon the bow is made of is like a velvety texture. And the gorgeous amber gemstone, so pretty. And I love rose gold accents. So here we go. And this can be used as a journaling card as well, or deco in your journal or planner. So then these are the die cuts, and another gorgeous sticker that I do not want to rip, but I am ripping. Fail. Oh no. Okay, so these are like die cut for journaling, but they are die cut shapes that are actually stickers. So this is June 2022. Oh, that's a cute little vellum. I love that. I thought it was part of this picture, and then I realized it comes off. How pretty. And then the June 2022, this matches some of the cardstock paper that we saw earlier. And this is a sticker. Oh, it says photo paper, so let's look. Yes, that's the glossy. That's the glossy surface. A gorgeous foiled butterfly. There's a die cut sticker. Our quote, grow through what you go through. Oh, I love that. The foiled quote, that's also a die cut sticker. A beautiful foiled bumblebee. Looks like the rose gold foil. A flower spray in a vase or urn. And a card. Make yourself a priority. So this is not a die cut sticker. This is just a card that you could tuck into your planner. And then it's picnic time. We have a cutting board with some fruit there, getting ready for your summer picnic. Those are all adorable. Love that little beady vellum. So cute. And then our sticky note pad. My sticky note pad, I should say. It's mine, not mine. Okay, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful addition to the planner. All right, get into my gem pen with the rosebud top. Okay, is this a click or a twist? It's a twist. Okay, so twist the little rose. You have your gems in there. And let's see, it's a ballpoint. Don't know. Oh, you hear that? Don't know. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Hello, summer. Let's do some hello, summer on here. Okay. Wonderful. So we have the 3 washi tapes, and I'm going to pause. So I did a quick pause so I could take the plastic wrapping off of each of these because it takes me some time to get into them. And I'm going to start with the largest one. It is Floral that matches items in the kit. I'll find the beginning. All right, so this is a gorgeous floral with some, rose gold foil. So pretty. And then an accent, another one that has, this foil has the blue background with some floral sprays and some rose gold bows and stars, if you can see that. And then we have the pink. So this is pink with the rose gold bows. how pretty. Those are all gorgeous. So I'm going to move these out of the way. Again, this narrow one is like a 5mm. This one is 10mm and 15mm. And gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't wait to get those in my planner. All right, the last package I will open and share with you. Put my scissors away, don't need those. So the full kit with the 9 boxes and 3 little headers. Oh, look at that foil, how pretty. Maybe she is a wildflower. And then 1 to 31, because it's a full kit, you get your foiled date dots. And this looks like a rose gold foil. 9 more boxes. Wow. Okay, my favorite, I must say, is this one right here, because it's that blue rose. Live Life in Full Bloom. And then some half boxes. Butterfly and Bumblebee foils at the top. Some flags, some scallops, some work headers. 2 sets, actually, 2 sets of work headers there. And then the full page design that has 3 butterfly checklists, not 3 hearts. I was going to say 3 hearts out of habit. Then some foiled script. Is this like washi? Okay. Yeah. Flags. So some scallop washi and some flags at the bottom. Then some text headers, glitter headers, and the weekend banner. Again, with some more flags and washis at the bottom. It's almost like this kit is 2 kits. It's like there's double of everything. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, lots of berries on the washi strips. Butterflies, bumblebees, bows and stars in the foil on a floral background. Wow. Day of the week headers. So pretty. 4 more sets of Day of the Week headers that are foiled on gorgeous, gorgeous backgrounds. Wow. This is a lot. Okay, this is a lot. Scalloped boxes, little note page, post-it boxes, bow boxes. Wow. Full page of icons for your summer picnic. Gorgeous for your journaling pages, or however you wish to use them. And some Fashion Girls for the June sub. So this June sub kit is like, how many pages is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, goodness, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 full pages, your date dots, and then aside from all the other little stuff we saw, the die cut stickers. Ooh, I got some static going on. The mini notepad, the jeweled bow clip, and my stickers on there are 3 more pages. Oh, so journaling, the desktop, the swatches, Father's Day with Boo Bear, another icon decor page, and then the monthly kit that I ordered in my A5 or Estelle, A5 wide or Estelle, all of the decor pages, and 4 pages and a full page of vellum. So my goodness, this, oh, and the pen, don't forget, oh, and the washi. This is an amazing deal. You have to log on to the website and check this out, because wow, it's going to take me a while to get all these stickers. So thank you so much for joining me, spending some of your precious moments with me today, and I wish you a blessed day. Bye-bye.